Sahitya Academy Award it is. Today is the last day that I'm going to discuss this book with you, Literary Master Reference book. Coming Monday, or you can say coming February, we will start with a new Wallat book. The topic that I've chosen is Sahitya Academy Award. Whenever NET will ask questions from Indian literature, Sahitya Academy Award will be its favorite, right? So you really need to know chronology based questions. You need to know who won the award, and we will focus our awardees in English, okay? Because as you know, Sahitya Academy Award is actually awarded for 24 languages, including English. But because I'm teaching you English literature, my focus will be on the English awardees, okay? Before we start with the name of the awardees, you should know a little bit introduction about this award. India's second highest literary honor is Sahitya Academy. Which one is the first? Tell me. Gyanpith. Gyanpith. Gyanpith Award is the highest literary honor, whereas Sahitya Academy is India's second highest literary honor. It was established in the year 1954 and it is awarded annually. Who gives it? India's National Academy of Letters, which is called Sahitya Academy. Okay. And what is the purpose of this award? To promote Indian literature in all the major Indian languages. Okay, in the book it's written which 24 languages are included. Which 24 languages are included in this award, right? So, promotion of Indian literature in all major Indian languages. Let's move on. Now, what my idea is, I'm going from backward, from like 2025 to down, okay? So 2025 I haven't written here. You should just understand the format. The first name is the book that has been awarded the Sahitya Academy, which year, and also who is the writer of that book. Okay, so you understood the sequence. Okay. Now, who won the Sahitya Academy in English in 2025? You have to tell me. That is the first MCQ question of the day. Advait Kotari got it for Siddharth, the boy who became the Buddha. So 2025 award goes to Advait Kotari for Siddharth, the boy who became the Buddha. Now, 2024 Sahitya Academy went to Eastern Kair for the novel Spirit Nights. 2023 Sahitya Academy went to Neelam Saran Gaur for her novel Requiem in Rag Janaki. Please remember, although these direct questions don't come, but then I'm giving you the list. Of course, it can. Just take it like a game, okay? I'm also teaching you in a fun manner. Just learn. I haven't kept too many names on one slide so that you don't get confused. Now, 2022 Sahitya Academy went to Anuradha Roy for her novel All the Lives We Never Lived. Then 2021 award was given to Namita Gokhale, who wrote Things to Leave Behind. And 2020 Sahitya Academy was given to Arundhati Subramaniam for her poetry When God is a Traveler. You know the genre, if I have written it in a bracket poetry, then yes. But all the others where I haven't given a bracket, they are novels. So Spirit Nights, Requiem, All the Lives, Things to Leave are novels. Whereas When God is a Traveler is poetry. 2020 written by or composed by Arundhati Subramaniam. She was awarded with the Sahitya Academy. Now let's come to MCQ. Who was the first recipient of the Sahitya Academy Award in English language? The answer is R.K. Narayan. For which novel? That's your homework. Come now. Now the list goes from 2019 to 2010. Are you ready to listen? I'm again saying just take a stroll, walk, listen to me. It is easy. 2019 Sahitya Academy went to Shashi Tharoor for his non-fiction work An Era of Darkness. 2018 Sahitya Academy went to Anis Salim for The Blind Lady's Descendants. This is a novel. 2017 Sahitya Academy was given to Mamang Dai for the novel The Black Hill. Who received 2016 Sahitya Academy Award? Jerry Pinto. For which novel? M and the Big Whom. Then 2015 came Cyrus Mistry for his work Chronicle of a Corpse Bearer. 2014 Sahitya Academy was given to a English poetry by Adil Jassawala. The name of the poetry is Trying to Say Goodbye. 2013 Sahitya Akademi awardee Temsula Ao for the short story collection Laburnum for My Head. 2012 also went to poetry. Poetry. Jeet Thail got it for These Errors Are Correct. Poetry collection it is. 2011 was given to Ramchandra Guha for his narrative history named India After Gandhi. Whereas 2010 Sahitya Akademi Award was given to Esther David for his novel The Book of Rachel. Now, because you should not get bored with names and list and names, here is another set of MCQ. Please help me solve it. The Sahitya Akademi Award is given annually for works published within the last 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years. The answer is 5 years. So the books or the works should not be older than 5 years. That is the rule of Sahitya Akademi Award to be given. Okay. The next MCQ says, which of the following is not a component of the Sahitya Akademi Award, which means whoever comes on the stage, he receives A, engraved copper plaque, B, cash prize, it's I think 50,000, C, shawl, D, gold medal. One of these components is not given. It is gold medal. They don't get a gold medal, they get a copper plaque, the photo of which I shared in the first slide. So now you're in a mood to get to the list again. Come now, list. 2009 Sahitya Akademi Award was given to Badrinath Chaturvedi for his critical analysis work called the Mahabharat. 2007 Sahitya Akademi Award was given to Malathi Rao for her novel Disorderly Women. 2006 Sahitya Akademi Awardee was Rupa Bajwa. Her novel The Sari Shop won the 2006 Sahitya Akademi Award. 2005 went to Arundhati Roy for her essay collection The Algebra of Infinite Justice. 2004 went to Upamanyu Chatterjee for his novel The Memories of the Welfare State. 2003 went to the essay collection of Meenakshi Mukherjee. The name is The Perishable Empire, Essays on Indian Writing in English. So 2003 award went to Meenakshi Mukherjee for her essays, The Perishable Empire. 2002 award was given to Amit Chaudhary for his novel A New World. 2001 was given to Raj Mohan Gandhi for the biography Rajaji A Life. So Rajaji A Life won the Sahitya Akademi Award in the year 2001, written by Raj Mohan Gandhi. Whereas 2000 Sahitya Akademi went to the novel Kakold, written by Kiran Nagarkar. Come to the MCQs again. I will love to give you more MCQs here. Which of the following statements is correct? Let me read the statements. Please tell me, are they correct or not? A, Sahitya Akademi Award is given every 2 years. No. It's given every year. Second, it is given only for poetry. No. It's given for many genres, including poetry, drama, short story, criticism, novel, of course. C, it may not be awarded in a language in a particular year. Of course, it may not be. Remember, when I'm reading the slides, there are few years missing. Those are the years when Sahitya Akademi Award was not given in English language. D, it is a lifetime honor. Yes, it is an honor. Now, sorry. Which of the following statements is correct? It is a lifetime honor. No, it's not a lifetime honor. No, sorry. So the only correct statement is it may not be awarded in a language in a particular year. Okay. Next MCQ, here it comes. The Sahitya Akademi mainly aims at. What is the aim of Sahitya Akademi Award? A, promoting regional politics. Wrong. B, encouraging translation only. Wrong. D, encouraging oral literature, not written. Wrong. And C, promotion of Indian literature and literary unity. Right. Promotion of Indian literature and literary unity. Now, let's come to this last slide of the awardees. After 1990, I have not written. If you want to know more awardees, please check out this book of ours. Okay? Come now. The 1999 Sahitya Akademi Award was given to A.K. Ramanujan for his poetry, The Collected Poems of A.K. Ramanujan. 1998 award was given to Mahesh Dattani, the playwright, for his play Final Solutions. 1996, look, 1997 is missing, which means there was no Sahitya Akademi Award in English in 1997. Come 1996, the award was given to Sunetra Gupta for the novel Memories of Rain. 1994 award went to Dom Moraes for the poetry collection Serendip. 1993 Academy Award went to G.N. Devi for the critical work After Amnesia. 1992 work went to Ruskin Bond for his short story collection Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. 1991 Sahitya Akademi Award was given to Alan Seeley, not Alan Solly, Alan Seeley, for the novel The Trotter Nama. And 1990 Sahitya Akademi Award was given to Shashi Deshpande for the work That Long Silence, for her novel, acclaimed novel, That Long Silence. I have done its complete summary on our Valat YouTube channel. Okay, so beyond or before 1990, I'm not going now, that you can check out. The last page of MCQs, here it comes. Consider the following statements and please tell me which ones are correct. Let me read the statements out to you. 1. Sahitya Akademi Award is India's highest literary honor. False. I told you, it is Gyanpith. 2. It is given in 24 Indian languages, including English. True. 2 is true. 3. It is administered by an autonomous body, the National Academy of Letters. As I told you, it is an autonomous body, Sahitya Akademi. True. So 2 and 3 are true. 1 is false. And we are done. How did you like it? This is another slide. This is the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. And we're starting with another Wallat book from the coming session. So please stay tuned and you will know more about it. Take care of yourself. If you love the video, kindly drop down a comment, share and like this video. Bye-bye. This is Hina from Team Wallat.